Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I want to offer a quick reminder that the exam is due tomorrow. The exam is due October the 23rd in the day. Make sure you complete it. There's still about half of you that haven't finished it yet. Thank you for the half that has. Make sure you finish your exam by tomorrow, October 23rd in the day. We're moving on to week 8, chapter 6, medical liability. It's really an interesting chapter. I want you to talk about in the lecture review question, making mistakes and how do you legally protect yourself as a caregiver. So you should know a little bit about that based on what we've studied so far. Further, we have a lecture, which is here at the top of the video, and then your chapter 6 review questions, which are due a week from tomorrow. So that would be the 30th, October 30th. Getting pretty close to Halloween there. So if you have any questions about week 8, let me know. It's already open for those of you that completed exam 1, but for those of you that haven't yet, please do that ASAP. Hope you're doing well. If you need anything, please let me know. I appreciate all your hard work and effort. Have a good weekend.